Hi guys, today this is a special video to thank all of you. Seriously, we have reached around 500 subscribers on YouTube. This is a moment to celebrate for all of us. Thank you so much guys for all the love and support. The past 2 years was crazy. We have started from a patient management video, patient online form creation video, and then we proceeded towards the clinic management, little tips for the businesses. We have created ebook for the COVID time, how to reduce rents. We have also discussed about the how to apply for the Dubai market and all these things. We have done online courses, offline sessions. The whole journey was crazy, and seriously, I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support. We have reached around now 400 subscribers on Insta. We have reached 15,000 views on YouTube. Thank you so much for this lovely journey.